The Vulgate, Luke chapter 2, verses 1 through 6. Factum est autem in diebus illis, exiit edictum a Caesare Augusto, ut describeretur universus orbis. Haec descriptio prima facta est a praeside Syriae Quirino, et ibant omnes ut profiterentur singuli in suam civitatem. Ascendit autem et Ioseph a Galilaea de civitate Nazareth in Judaeam in civitatem David, quae vocatur Bethlehem, eo quod esset de domo et familia David, ut profiteretur cum Maria desponsata sibi uxore praegnante. Factum est autem, cum essent ibi, impleti sunt dies ut pareret. And it came to pass, factum est, moreover. Factum est is a representation of the Greek agenata. And it happened, it came to pass. It's a good translation, I believe, on Jerome's part. Moreover, in those days, in diebus illis, a dictum, a decree, exiit, went out. A dictum is from the verb edico, to speak out, to announce. A decree went out, a Caesare Augusto, from Caesar Augustus. And then what follows in this clause is a description of the decree. Here it is. Ut describeretur universus orbis, that the entire world should be written up in a census. Describeretur, let's parse that form. Third singular, imperfect, subjunctive, and passive. Why is it imperfect? Well, because we are in what's called a secondary sequence. When the main verb is a past tense, exiit, a perfect tense in this instance, the subordinate verb must also be in the secondary sequence, therefore imperfect. This census, descriptio, picking up on describeretur, was made, facta est, first, or this was the first census made, a praeside, under the governance or the leadership, praeside, of Syria, Quirino. So while Quirinius was the governor, praeside, of Syria, it was made by, the census was made by him as governor of Syria. Et ibant omnes, and everybody was going. Why? Ut, here ut is a purpose clause, that individuals might be enrolled to their own city. This verb profiterentur, according to Lewis and Short, means to make a public declaration or proclamation, to be enrolled. Joseph also, and et here is short for etiam, ascended, that is, he went up from a lower elevation, from Galilee, from the city, out of the region of Galilee, from the city Nazareth, he went to Judea, to the city of David, a city which is called Bethlehem. Notice that words like Nazareth and David and Bethlehem, being Hebrew words, they do not decline naturally in Latin, but other ones like Galilaea can take a declension. Why? For this reason, because he was, as said, from the house and the line or the family of David. And now Luke repeats or reiterates, in order that he might be enrolled, profiteretur, profiterentur, along with Mary, pledged to him as a wife, and, surprising here in the last point, pregnant. It happened, factum est, moreover, when they were there, that the days, dies, were fulfilled, completed, for her to give birth.